This video will demonstrate how to use NanoStretch to wrap pallets using less single and plastic pallet wrap. Firstly, identify your stretch wrap machine and its stretch capabilities. This standard machine doesn't have geared rollers. That means that as we are using a 20 micron film, the applied thickness is approximately 17 to 18 microns. We have applied 3 wraps on the bottom, 2 at the top, and 2 more at the bottom. The result is that the holding force is around 15.2 kilograms, and the weight of film used is 509 grams. This Robopack 708 LP can stretch to 400%, taking 1 meter of film off the roll and stretching it to a maximum of 5 meters of applied film. Select an appropriate NanoStretch film for your pallet. Maxpack work closely with our customers to identify the right film. Optimize the machine settings for the correct NanoStretch film type and the pallet you are wrapping. Record and fix the settings for consistent wrapping performance, load stability, and optimized film usage. We are using 12 micron NanoStretch film, which can stretch to 350% and still outperform much thicker films holding power. This means that the applied thickness of film will be around 4 microns, around 25% thickness of the standard film that we used previously. Tension between the pallet and the rollers can also be controlled. Combined with the power stretch between the rollers, we aim to achieve the full stretch of around 350%. This pallet wrapped again using the same wrapping cycles and table speed, but with NanoStretch film and the Robopack 708 LP. This load has a holding force of 16.5 kilograms. Using thinner film, yet achieving greater load security. Next, weigh the results and be proud of what you have achieved. The amount of film used to wrap this pallet was 104 grams, a reduction of over 79%. If we wrap on average 200 pallets a day, that's a saving of roughly 20 tons of single-use plastic per year, also saving around £40,000.